Hey, how's it going? This is Minister Gold. This is a mix-it-up tutorial on how to make a bit number guessing game. And the idea behind this is just to give chat something to chase after. If they find the lucky number, then they get a funny video. So it works like this. As soon as you open your stream, open your OBS and your mix-it-up, a random bit number is chosen. I am going to look for it. Let me refresh my browser source real quick. Okay, there you go. Okay, so let's try to take a guess here. So I always like to start with 1. 1 is the cheapest to start with, so we'll go with that. Oh, okay, we're already kind of close. Okay, let's go to 10. No, you know what? Let's go to 30. Okay, we're hotter. Let's go to 40. Okay, so I found the number. So above is a Bernie Sanders anime intro. I'm gonna refresh the browser source now. Hey, what's up? I am back. There's one more thing I want to talk about with this like bit guessing game. Whatever you do, don't attach any monetary reward to this game. If you do that, then it becomes gambling. So don't say like, oh, if you guess the right number, you get a game. If you guess the right number, I'll gift a sub. None of that stuff, because now you're attaching some potential monetary reward. So do not do that. The reason why what I'm doing works is because there's no possibility of anyone gaining something monetary from it. So this is my warning for you to do not do that. Or you could get in trouble. So yeah, just want to make that clear. Okay, so yeah, that's the idea. I found the number. Now, if I try to guess that again, presumably the number has changed, so it will not work again. So I'll guess 40. It has not worked. I got close, but now the number has changed. So if they try to do it again and try to abuse it, they can't because the number has changed. But yeah, that's how it works. That's what I will show you how to make. If you find these videos helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more mix-it-up tutorials. If you'd like to talk with me about mix-it-up gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/ministergold. Okay, also, let me remove this thing. Okay, so we are on version 1.6.510.0. Okay, we will make 2 commands. We will start by making the command that picks a random number. Okay, so I call this command random bit, and chat trigger is rand bit. You probably want to put a streamer and moderator permission on this. So first we have a special identifier. This is changeable. I have it set to be a number between 1 and 100. So I call it random bit and $ random number 100. You can change that if you want. It could be a random number between 1 and 1,000 if you want. It could be a random number between 1 and 10,000 if you want. Or you could even go like 500 to 1,000. So that is up to you. But I do like to go like colder, warmer, hotter, burning, etc. because I do want them to be motivated, like, hey, okay, I'm getting closer. Versus if you give no feedback, then how the hell are they supposed to figure out what the number is, you know? Okay, so that's my special identifier for that. This you don't need. You can disable that. We add a chat message that is saying the bit number has changed. Okay, and that's it. This is this command for random bit, and then save it. Here, I'll delete this. We don't need it. Okay. Okay, now we'll go to the bit guessing command, and this command will be used later in the bits cheered event. Okay, for the first part, we're doing some JavaScript. Okay, it's very simple, but it is important. We'll go to the drop down. Okay, before we do this, command name is bitguess, chat trigger is bitguess, and permission to streamer or moderator so that anybody else can't use it. Okay. Okay, so we're adding a script. Set this to JavaScript. These are the two key things that I did here. So this is var diff that is creating a variable called diff. We're setting the value to math, and make sure this m is uppercase, dot abs, open parentheses, $ random bit minus $arg1 text, close parentheses, colon. And what that does is it is subtracting whatever the random bit number is by $arg1 text, and then it's making it positive, and that gets us the difference between arg1 text and random bit, and it'll keep it positive no matter what. So it's just telling us what the difference is between, like, from arg1 text, which is the number that is guessed, and random bit, which is the answer. Okay, then you return diff to make that available as a special identifier, and every time you use script, it'll return the result as $script result. Unfortunately, this cannot be changed. That just is the name. Okay, then I save it as a special identifier. I'm calling this current diff, and make it globally usable and math expression. Yeah, saving it as a $script result. I don't think it's saved as math by default if you just get it from here, from the script. So that's why I'm saving it as a special identifier. Okay, then everything else after this is just to let the user know how far away they are from the bingo result. Okay, so this is if current diff equals 0. That means they've found the number. Okay, so we have a chat message which says bingo. We have a video, so within the conditional, go to overlay and add it. Set this to video. Choose the video that you want. And you know something fun with this is if the first person who does guess the video, you can tell them, like, hey, like, what funny video do you want to replace this with? And, you know, put some restrictions on that, like, you know, make sure that the video doesn't violate TOS, make sure it's within a certain duration. And yeah, that's something fun you can do to motivate them as well, to be the first one to find the number. I set the width to 1,000, but half of that might suffice for you. For the position, I set it to percentage. The X position is 12, and Y position is also 12. Okay, that's it for the video. Then for the command, so I have a command action. And I set to run command. I set it to random bit. That changes the number and also notifies everybody, hey, the bit number has changed. And then run another command that just exits this one so that it does not check any other conditionals after this. So bingo's at the top, okay? Okay, now everything else, if you make one of these conditionals, you could just kind of duplicate the rest. Okay, so this is checking if current diff is greater than 50. Actually, you could say greater than equal to 50. Yeah. And yeah, just keep in mind, if you make this like a number higher than 100, then you will have to adjust all these conditionals. Okay, so chat message here is just cold. Okay, then command, add it. Just exit this command. After this, we can just duplicate. Okay, this I have between 40 to 49. Okay, this just says less cold. Exit command. Duplicate. This is warm. So this is if the current diff is between 30 to 39. And I have warm over here. Exit command. Okay, duplicate. This is if the current diff is between 20 to 29. Warmer. Exit command. Duplicate. This is hot. So this is if the current diff is between 10 to 19. Hot. Exit command. Duplicate. Now this is if it is between, okay, I want this to be actually between 6 and 9. And I'm not doing that because funny number. Chat message hotter. Exit command. Duplicate, and then burning is if the $ current diff is between 1 to 5. Okay. So chat message burning, and then exit current command. That's it. That's the whole command. That is how to let them know how close they are, and if they get it, then you put in the video inside the bingo conditional. And yeah, that is how to make a bit number guessing game for chat. Also motivates them to give you bits, because it's you're gamifying giving you bits, basically. Okay, yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. If you have any ideas of what you'd like to see me make, please also leave that in the comments. If you'd like to talk with me about Twitch, Mix It Up Gaming, life in general, please follow me at twitch.tv/miniaturegold. And please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more Mix It Up tutorials. Alright, see ya.